Hello, my name is Ritik Patnaik, and this is my research on detecting vowel place features for a human speech perception model at the MIT RLE Speech Communication Group. Automated speech recognition systems like Alexa use machine learning to perform with incredibly high accuracy. These state-of-the-art models, including deep neural networks and hidden Markov chains, train on large audio datasets and text transcripts. By splitting an unknown input like our signal here, the systems can predict units of sound and stitch an output together. However, for the purposes of understanding how human speech perception works, these systems are not reliable experimental models as they lack the insights of cognitive and linguistic theories. Decades of research in the linguistic, acoustic, and cognitive sciences indicate that humans rely on acoustic cues to differentiate between sounds and words. Our brains interpret a variety of frequency events as acoustic cues, which map to linguistic features. My lab is interested in acoustic cue detection to not only experimentally model human speech perception, but also build a precision tool for the diagnosis of speech impairments. My project focuses on modeling how humans classify vowel sounds by detecting vowel place linguistic features based on acoustic cues. Linguists identify the relationship between tongue placement in the mouth and the production of different vowels. More recently, a strong correlation was discovered between tongue place and formant frequency measurements of a vowel. The first formant is inversely related to tongue height. A Gaussian probability distribution can be associated with each label. The red curve shows how high labels have small expected F1 frequency, while the yellow Gaussian portrays how low labels have the largest expected value. On the other hand, the second formant has a direct relationship with tongue advancement. A Gaussian mixture model-based classification framework is currently being implemented to analyze 700 vowel-consonant-vowel utterances from a female and 2 male speakers. First, I transformed each time series waveform into a frequency spectrogram in order to manually identify and label the vowel place features. Then I extracted the F1 and F2 frequency values at these labeled points and generated scatter plots for all common vowel place labels. The plot bordered in green shows low tongue height labels from the vowels, clustered in the higher frequency range of F1, which is 500 to 1000 Hertz. The cluster plots were then used to fit Gaussian distribution functions for each label. As seen in these two plots, the distributions reaffirm the F1 and F2 acoustic cue relationships with vowel place labels determined in past work. Results from this dataset are promising as they demonstrate that vowel place is detectable even in varied consonant environments. In the coming months, I plan to use these distributions to train, test, and tune single and multi-component Gaussian mixture models for classifying vowel place. Thank you for listening.